In this video, you will learn how to create a simple art graphics using Affinity Designer. Set the width and height pixel ratio according to your preference. Select the triangle tool, hold down the left mouse button, and drag from the center of the canvas to create a triangle. Now click the corner tool. And select all the vertices to make rounded corners, by dragging them slightly to the inside of the triangle. Set the stroke width, and turn off the fill color for now. Choose the pen tool, and draw random curves inside the triangle. Draw according to your preference. By dragging the curves layer into the triangle layer, you will now only see the lines covered by the triangle. The triangle layer will serve as a mask. You can also use any shape as you would like. After you have done creating and masking all the shapes, you can now fill them with the colors that you like. You can apply gradients and effects to make them look nice. Just feel free to explore the options available. After you've done coloring, turn off the stroke lines in each layer, so that only the fill color will be visible. From the Effects menu, you can explore different effects like 3D, bevel, shadows, or blurs. You can combine different effects to suit your preference. Please experiment with every effect available. You can also add noise textures to your shapes. It will make the rendered images look so much better. Now add some text below the triangle. Type in any phrase you want. Think of something relevant to your own design, or with your brand or logo in mind. Select the triangle and the text together by holding the Shift key and clicking each of them using the left mouse button. Use the alignment tool to align them according to their centers. Also add a background using the rectangle tool. Choose your desired background color and add some noise textures. And drag the rectangle layer to the bottom. Feel free to adjust the text position or color to find the perfect blend with your background. Before you render your simple graphic art, make some minor changes now, if you feel you need to. Be it colors or effects. Whatever is necessary for you. Finally, don't forget to save your project, so that you can easily come back to it in the future. Choose either JPEG or PNG when exporting the file. Thanks for watching. To learn more about effects and masking, feel free to comment below. Clicking the like and subscribe buttons is much appreciated.